Alright guys, so I've decided to do another Q&A because I haven't really got anything else to upload. So yeah, let's just get straight into the questions. Define slag. See-through leggings, way too much makeup, and constant selfies doing this. That's a slag. What crime would you commit to get 5 GTA stars? Probably stabbing everyone who was involved in the making of an In Me Man's car. How many times can you prank your mum with a doorbell?
Have you ever seen a man eat his own head?
Apparently, yes.
Run around your house like a headless chicken. What is your second favourite letter in the name Airborne?
B.
How many wheels do unicycles have?
Unicycles. They have 3 wheels, I think. Yeah, 3 wheels.
It's chicken! Chicken, sonny! Oh, chicken, sonny! How are you doing, sonny? Who am I with?
I'm doing Q&A part 2.
Am I in this?
Yes, you're in this, yes.
Oh, fuck.
How's it going, sonny? How are you enjoying 6th form so far, now that you've joined?
Oh, it's good, it's good.
Have you been in town today?
Aye, how do you know?
Oh, so I've heard you talking about it at school.
I just got back.
Oh, alright, yeah. Yeah.
Could you stop the video for a second?
Yeah, I'll stop the video for a second.
Even though I know you're not going to. Sam, kindly fuck off.
What?
Just my dog did me head in. My dog's just being a dick.
Alright.
Just got him some lunch and he's just all over it. Will you fuck off? I can't tea, man. What have you been doing the day?
Me? I've been filming this Q&A. That's literally fucking it.
Ah, rude. Well,
James asked us what's me favourite Indian god. What's your favourite Indian god? Because I don't know what mine is.
I don't even know any Indian gods. Oh, fuck. I'll Google it, really.
I think I'm gonna go with tikka masala. What's happened?
What's that? Fucking. Is it Shiva?
Oh, I don't know.
Either way, whatever.
What's your stance on Shrek being immortalised as an inadvertent porn star on the internet? What the fuck does inadvertent mean? 2 minutes, I'm gonna Google it. I think that's very nice for Shrek. On a scale of 1 to I'm a Barbie girl, how many goats can you fit in a condom?
7.5 maybe, depending on how stretchy it was. How many sheeps have you molested in your lifetime? Too many. Do you even lift, bro? No. What is your third favourite metro station? Third favourite metro station? Well, I'd probably have to say Westmonk Seaton's me first. Haymarket's me second because it's nice and modern. And me third would probably have to be Monk Seaton. Monk Seaton, aye. Which part of the In Me Mum's Car vine do you find the funniest? Fucking none of it, right? Fucking none of it. Anyway, that's the last of the questions, guys. Thanks for watching this Q&A, guys. Great, banterful questions. Yep, see you in the next video.